am Hemavati Anirudh, Principal of K2A International School. So we had planned a yoga session, 30 minutes full time with 10 asanas of our kids, primary kids and preschool kids, starting from the age group of 3 to 8 years.
We have started with a lot of enthusiasm because as a kids they will be so eager to know about everything, right? It is really so new for them. So they were actually exploring that. We were actually helping them a lot for this, to attend this. They have been cooperating a lot for this. So really happy to be the part of this yogathon. So thank you.
So we are thankful for Kalam Records to accept and give the recognition to our kids on this day. It's really a very good chance for our kids to showcase their talent on a global stage. Because of your platform, we are able to showcase and get the recognition for our kids. Thank you so much. Thank you. And we welcome more and more opportunities, and we look forward for such great chances for our kids in future also. Thank you. Thank you.
Thanks for K2A International School. Thanks to Kalam World Record.
Thank you for watching. Consider subscribe our channel Kalams World Records and click the bell icon. Like, comment down and share.